Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Acraze remix in 5 simple steps. We're gonna start off with a vocal sampling. Most of these Acraze remixes samples an old RnB song, so let's find for a classic RnB song. Just simply go to the RnB Classics playlist and search for a song to sample. We'll be going for this one.
You know I like it when your body go pop, pop, pop.
So let's search for the key and BPM of the song. So as you can see, it's in C# minor at 95 BPM. So let's rip the acapella from YouTube and drop it in FL Studio. So I just dropped in a vocal in FL Studio and fitted it to the tempo. So I want to sample this part.
You know I like it when your body go pop, pop, pop.
And then I want to sample this part as well.
Baby, turn around and let me see that sexy body go pop, pop, pop. That is all I wanna see.
So I just cut out these parts of the track.
Baby, turn around and let
So this
me
is with the
see that
pre-drop.
sexy body go pop, pop, pop. You know I like it when your body go pop, pop, pop. It go pop, pop. You know I like it when your body go pop, pop, pop. That is all I wanna see. You know I like it when your body go pop, pop, pop. Baby, turn, baby.
And then we're gonna cut out this part for the second part of the first drop. So that will be dropping around here. Then just let it repeat.
Baby, baby.
Then we're gonna mix it. First get rid of the low end.
Pop, pop. You know I like it when your body go pop, pop, pop.
Open up the stereo field.
Pop, pop. You know I like it when your body go pop, pop, pop.
Add some compression.
Pop, pop. You know I like it when your body go pop, pop, pop.
Reverb.
You know I like it when your body go pop, pop, pop.
Delay.
You know I like it when your body go pop, pop, pop.
And a sidechain.
Pop, pop. You know I like it when your body go pop, pop, pop.
So that's it for the vocal sampling. Now we're gonna dive into the drums. Let's open up the Underground Tech House pack. First we're gonna build the foundations of the drums. So select the kick and top loop. And just drop it in. Sounding like this. Which is a dope foundation, but we're gonna add some more groove to it. So let's add a glitchy drum loop to it from the pack. Go to the construction kit. Select 28. And drop it in. We'll be using this one. As you can see, the kit is in B, so we're gonna bump it up 2 semitones to get it in C# minor. And that's already it for the drums. So altogether with the vocal, the drums sound like this. So now we're gonna make the drop more interesting with adding some synth shots. So let's head over to the ear candy part of the sample pack. So we'll be using this one. This one. And this one. So I just placed them correctly in the drop. It's just some small effects to make it more interesting. So then I'm gonna move on to the bass. But the effects sound like this. So now we're gonna drop in the bass. We're gonna do it slightly different than we usually do. So we're not gonna use a preset, but we're gonna use a loop from the construction kit and cut it up. So we'll be using this one. First we're gonna pitch it in keys, so bump it up to semitones. And then just cut it up to make it work with a vocal. So this one sounds a little bit off. So push it forward 1 bar. And then this part sounds odd as well. So flip it like this. And then just duplicate it. So altogether it sounds like this. I think it works really well together with the vocal. Then I just only add a sidechain to it. A really big one to make room for the kick. So together with the kick, the bass sounds like this. You know I like it when your body go pop, pop, pop. That is all I wanna see. You know I like it So now the only thing that's left to do is the build up. So first I want to loop the vocal. We're gonna build it just around here. So just copy over the first part of the pre-drop vocal, and then we're gonna loop it simply just like this. Which sounds dope, but also quite weird to be honest. So what we're gonna do is add an endless smile to it. And we're gonna automate the pitch of a little altar boy to make it pitched up. Sounding like this.
Baby, turn around and let me...
Then we're gonna add the drums from the drop to it. Just like this. And we're gonna add a low cut animation on the master channel with this EQ. Cutting out all the low end. And a little endless smile to add some more energy to the build as well. Sounding like this.
Baby, turn around
and then to finish off the build up, I just dropped in a lot of effects with a snare build, ambience, and a lot of risers. So that's how you make a quick Tag House remix of an old R&B song. I think the final result turned out really dope, so if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Baby, turn around and let me see that sexy body go pop, 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 pop. Baby, turn around and let me see that sexy body go pop, pop.